What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Call of Duty Warzone server disconnected error, or the connection to the Blizzard game server is lost that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to basically fix this. The first and easiest thing you can do is to go to your search bar and type in network connection. And in here, you want to see this pop up. Right click into whatever you're connected into, so either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. I'm connected via Ethernet, and then go to properties. In here, you want to then click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click into properties. In here, you're going to change it from automatic into use the following DNS server addresses and change it to 1.1.1 and alternate it into 1.0.0.1. Press OK, press close, turn the game back on, and see if that fixes it for you. The next thing you want to do is to go to your search bar and type in CMD to see command prompt. Right click into this and run as administrator. In here, we're going to type in the command ipconfig /flush DNS. So /flush DNS, and you're going to see it's going to successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Once you do this, you restart your computer, turn the game back on. You should be good to go and not have this disconnection error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm out. Peace.